So guys, ayun ang share ko naman sa inyo kung paano ang pagsagot ng quadratic equation using this quadratic equation formula. So before we answer this quadratic equation, first we identify what is A, what is B, and what is C. So A is the coefficient of x, which is 1. B is 10. C is 24. So, ngayon guys, pwede na tayo mag-proceed sa pagsagot natin ng nitong quadratic equation. So, x is equals to negative b is negative 10 plus or minus square root of 10 squared, which is negative 10 minus 4. A is 1 times C, which is negative 24 from the equation, over 2 times A, which is 1. Okay, so x is equals to negative times negative is positive 10 plus or minus square root of negative 10 squared is positive 100 minus 4 times 1 is 4 times negative 24 is 96 over 2 times 1 is 2. So x is equals to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 96 is 4 over 2. So x is equals to 10 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 over 2. Okay. Then x is equals to 10. So we separate the value of x from positive to negative. So from positive sign, x is equals to 10 plus 2 over 2, which is equals to 12 over 2. Therefore, x is equals to 6. Okay? X is equals to 10 by a negative sign is 2 minus negative minus 2 over 2, which is equals to 8 over 2. Therefore, x is equals to 4. Okay? From positive sign, x is equals to 6. While from negative sign, x is equals to 4. Now, we try to check our answer if the value of x and the value of x in positive sign and negative sign is correct. So by checking check, 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 from x is equals to 6 by substituting from the equation. So this is 6 squared minus 10 times 6 minus 24 is equals to 0. So 6 squared is 36 minus 10 times 6, which is 60, minus 24 is equals to 0. 36 minus 60 minus 24 is 36 is equals to 0. So 36 minus 36 is 0 is equals to 0. So ibig sabihin guys, this value of x is correct. So how about the negative sign, which is the x is equals to 4. So by substituting from the equation, this is 4 squared minus 10 times 4, 10 times 4 minus 24 is equals to 0. 4 squared is 16 minus 10 times 4 is 40 minus 24 is equals to 0. 16 minus 40 times 40 minus 24 is 16 is equals to 0. 16 minus 16 is 0 is equals to 0. So check. So ibig sabihin guys, tama yung value natin ng x sa pagsagot natin ng quadratic equation. So sana guys, may kunti kayong natutunan dito sa isinare ko sa inyo na video. So hanggang dito lang muna guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood. God bless you all.